Hey everybody, Pounding Rocks here, and we're talking Water Street decals again. And yeah, I finally made my own set, and these are the exact same ones that I sell to everybody online. And this is the install and how I did it. I had a black background, so it's kind of hard to see everything. So what I did is I framed all the embossed lettering with blue painter's tape, so I knew where all the edges were, and then I laid it out as a whole assembly. And then using this squeegee here, this piece right here, which you can get, I just peeled the plastic off and kept pushing down on this thing as I was peeling the plastic off this way. And once I got down to the end, we're done. So what I was going to do is uncover the final result here, so you guys can see the teal that I like so much on my teal tailgate. So we'll pull the actual framing tape. I think framing it is probably the best way to do it, because then you know that you got your ends lined up. And once you got the ends on both ends lined up and you know that they're perpendicular to the rest of the tailgate, there you go, the final result. And as you can see, unlike the eBay ones, the letters all fit. They're all measured to size. And I can do these in any color that Oracal 651 comes in. As I said, these are $24, and there's a 3% markup if you do goods and services, friends and family. I don't do a markup, but if you do goods and services, 3% just to cover the fee. If you do for an additional $10, I will do SE, SEV6, XEV6, XE, long bed, or heavy duty. This one's hard to focus on, but that is also the teal. And yeah, Water Street Decals, hit me up, message me, and let me make a decal for you guys. Thank you very much. Have a good one. See ya.